Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so everybody's been doing these fall looks lately, and I don't know how it feels where you guys live, but right now it's like almost 90 degrees here in eastern North Carolina. So for me, it's not fall yet. I'm going to hold on to the summer as long as possible, and I'm just not ready to transition to like fall looks yet. So I said, let me just break out like a half fall, half summer kind of palette, and we're going to create a makeup look to incorporate summer and fall. So I picked the Colourpop Soul palette. This is what it looks like. And I've used this palette before, but I wanted to do something else with it today. So this is what I created. So if you want to see my I'm not ready for fall yet look, then just go ahead and keep watching.
Okay, I'm starting off with the peach shade in the top left corner, and I'm going in with the ZOEVA 228 Luxe Crease Brush, and I'm just basically going across my crease, back and forth, packing it down sometimes, and going across. It takes a lot of product to get this to show on me because this is very close to my skin color, so I really have to build it. And then I'm going in with the two middle shades on the bottom two rows, those two red and peach shades, and I mix them together on the 227 brush. This is the soft definer brush. I go back and forth and I pat it in too because I didn't set my concealer, so I'm able to pat my color down and it's staying a little bit better. It's actually working out pretty good not setting my concealer. Somebody did that recently and I was like, let me try that, and it's working really nicely. So I just keep building that up and building and building. It takes like 5 or 6 times. See, like literally I have to dip into my color at least 5 to 6 times before it actually shows the amount that I want it to. Alright, I want to add a little bit of depth to that outer corner, so I'm going in with the 231 Luxe Petite Crease Brush and taking that brown shade in the lower right corner, and I'm just packing that into the outer third of the eye. I want to add a little bit of dimension to the eye, so that's why I'm adding that, but I really don't want the brown to take over. I just want it to be a little bit deeper, so I'm going back over it with my two peachy red shades and just making sure that the brown isn't shining through but so much. And then I'm going to go back over it with my light color that I use from the top left hand corner. I'm just going to go over that and try to diffuse anything, smooth it out, and just make a nice seamless blend. And you just keep doing that until you like it. Okay, now I'm packing down the shade in the lower left corner. This is like a shiny, metallic-y orange shade, tangerine if you will. It is so pretty. I can't even stand it. When you put that on the eye, it's just like makes it pop. Then I'm just lining my waterline with the MAC Feline pencil. You can use any black that you have. That's like my go-to. That and the Urban Decay Perversion pencil. Those are like my two blacks that I always go for. Okay, now I'm using Benefit mascara I'm not going to wear false lashes because I just don't wear false lashes that much anymore. I don't know. I'm just not into them that much. They're pretty, but I don't wear them. And let's go ahead and take the tape off and reveal how pretty that is. Then I picked like just a random pink shimmer shade from another palette and just pop that in there. You don't have to do that. I did that at the very last minute and I just thought it gave it like this, brought the pinkiness back to it. And I'm going to finish the rest of my face, come right back. Okay, now I'm going to use any white pencil that you have and just line your waterline. And I think that just makes it give it that little doll eye effect. It's so pretty. Then I'm using that brown in the lower right corner on a flat brush. This is the Colourpop E11. It's okay. That's the one I had, but it's a flat shader brush. And I just put that right under the white. And then this is my favorite brush of all time. This is the Sigma Blending E36 brush. This is good for people who are like drag the color down too far under their eyes. It works so good. And then just pop a little mascara on your lower lashes and you're done.
Alright guys, so this is my final look. I hope you like it. Don't forget to leave me a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to start another giveaway pretty soon, and I've got like 3 eyeshadow palettes that I want to put in there. So don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for all your support, and I will see you in my next one.